Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Podcast, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Right now, let's get a sense of what's going on with the stock market. As John Tucker reported, we do have a little bit of a lift here today, but let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Paul Sweeney, along with Alex Steele, and we're joined by Bloomberg's Natalia Kenyajevic. Natalia, what are you looking at?
Let's start, guys, with retailers. American Eagle Outfitters. The stock is down by more than 7%. The company withdrew guidance for the full year. They also said that there is a charge of about $75 million related to a write-down of spring and summer merchandise. So basically, this is a preliminary earnings result. They will post full results at the end of May. Of course, when it comes to guidance, the company blamed macroeconomic uncertainty. And as for this huge write-down, I spoke with a couple analysts, and potentially the main reason they either bought stuff that they were not able to sell because it was just like the wrong choice, or since we know that American Eagle is a value player, potentially customers are looking for better deals. And again, it could be a sign of a cautious U.S. consumer. But anyway, it was a big miss. And potentially we may see that all that those inventory will go to discounters like TJ Maxx. And the company itself is doing right now a massive sale on the website. I don't know, Alex, if we should check it out.
I'm a TJ girl, man. I'm a TJ girl. I got to stay loyal on that front. Oh yeah. You crazy? That's the best. I furnish like most of my house at Home Goods. Okay, what else are you looking at?
Yes, looking at shares of Cboe Global Markets.
Cboe.
Yes, we see that Morgan Stanley downgraded the company, and they said, of course, that de-escalation of U.S. and China trade war came sooner and better than expected. Earlier, they upgraded the stock, citing higher volatility. We know that when volatility is high, people are trading options more. It can be more beneficial for companies like Cboe. So now it's a reversal of this trend, and they cut the price target to 215 from 256. And of course, we are keeping an eye on VIX, which is way below 20 for the first time since, I don't know, a couple of weeks and months.
Interesting. Okay. I used to trade with the Cboe back in the day. SuperMicro computer. That sounds like a big name.
It is. So we see that it's also a big move in the stock price. It's up by almost 13%. It came, of course, after this deal with Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabian data center company DataVolt signed a partnership with SuperMicro. The deal is valued at $20 billion. We don't know all details of that deal, but basically SuperMicro buys chips from like NVIDIA. They build infrastructure and then they sell to data centers. We don't know if DataVolt will be building those data centers here in the United States or in Saudi Arabia. But for many analysts, questions still remain about demand for power, demand for AI infrastructure. But as of today, it is a pretty good development that the stock is up sharply.
The Stock Movers Podcast from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.